I give thee thanks, O Lord, with my whole heart. Before the gods I sing thy praise. I bow down toward thy holy temple, and give thanks to thy name for thy steadfast love and thy faithfulness. For thou hast exalted above everything thy name and thy word. On the day I called, thou didst answer me. My strength of soul thou didst increase. All the kings of the earth shall praise thee, O Lord, for they have heard the words of thy mouth, and they shall sing of the ways of the Lord. For great is the glory of the Lord. For though the Lord is high, he regards the lowly, but the haughty he knows from afar. Though I walk in the midst of trouble, thou dost preserve my life. Thou dost stretch out thy hand against the wrath of my enemies, and thy right hand delivers me. The Lord will fulfill his purpose for me. Thy steadfast love, O Lord, endures forever. Do not forsake the work of thy hands. Psalm 138 is a psalm of thanksgiving and confidence attributed to David. It expresses deep gratitude to God for his faithfulness, as well as trust in his continued help and protection. Themes and lessons. Thanksgiving for God's faithfulness. David thanks God for answering his prayers and strengthening him. He acknowledges God's steadfast love and truth. Prayer makes a difference. David testifies that God responded when he cried out, encouraging believers to pray boldly. Gratitude deepens faith. Remembering and thanking God for past help builds confidence in his future care. The glory and majesty of God. Even kings of the earth are called to praise the Lord when they hear his words. God's name and word are exalted above all things. God's care for the humble. Though God is exalted, he cares for the lowly and keeps his distance from the proud. God is near to the humble. Humility attracts God's attention and protection, while pride creates distance. God's protection in trouble. The psalmist expresses trust in God's deliverance during difficult times. Confidence in God's ongoing work. The psalm ends with confidence that God will fulfill his purpose in the psalmist's life. God completes what he starts. The Lord will fulfill his purpose for me. Teaches us to trust God's long-term plan for our lives. The Lord will fulfill his purpose for me. Your steadfast love, O Lord, endures forever. Psalm 138 verse 8. Psalm 138 teaches us to live with thankfulness, humility, and trust in God's unchanging love, even in the face of trouble or opposition.